Hey guys, RPM Guy 64 here, and this is not an unboxing, it's just a review. So I have three cars here. There's this Nissan NV van, Mater with cone teeth, and this Dodge flatbed. So I guess we'll start with the van. If the camera focus, you see there's the characteristic Nissan NV van grille with the two bars. Also this like extra grill down here. That's where your headlights would be. Number 58. I think that says State of Aquatorium. I'm not sure. Visitor Services van. We'll focus on that. That says Research Center. Gas cap right there. Back, this is where your brake lights, reverse lights, turn signals would be. Right here, this is where your license plate would be. Door handle. Of course, double door. Like most vans are, got a hitch. So they did something interesting with the windows. I've never really seen them do this before. They kind of like blacked them out, but they're colored. So they're also kind of not blacked out. So that's kind of strange. Well, the next one here does have complete blacked out windows. So this is the Ram flatbed. Headlights there. These fog lights here. Push bar grill guard. Dodge Ram grill. Number 58, and both the van. The van and the truck. Number 58. Come on, camera. There we go. Service truck, Sierra Summit, campground. I'm pretty sure what that says. Pretty sure that's what that says. Door handle. Windows there. In the back, here's where you have your chainsaw and bag. This is probably guarding a back window. Maybe these are lights, toolboxes. On the back you got where your tail lights, reverse lights, and blinkers would be. Got mud flaps. The generic Matchbox wheels. And the base on this one says 2016 Ram flatbed and copyright 2018 Mattel, made in Thailand, Matchbox. And there's the NO2 code. And we're going to show the base of the van because I forgot to do that. It's a 2014 Nissan NV van, made in Thailand, 2018 Mattel. And finally, we have cone teeth Mater. So yeah, Mater looks pretty good with this release. It's kind of like raised up in the front, but not in the back, kind of like bent there. Of course he has his cone teeth here and the cone on his head. The cones are solid plastic. And here's how they attach them in there. The rust detail is pretty good. I can make out what it says there, tow Mater. I can even read that, it says towing and salvage. Radiator springs. Mirrors there, they're plastic. Windows, but no back window, as usual. Got a cone right there. Got this warning light. And they did paint the taillights, which is not something that the Chinese version did. I think they painted these too. I don't know if those were painted or not before. Got an A113 license plate, if it'll focus. And I think that's his Carburetor County. Cause that's where he's from, you know, Carburetor County, Radiator Springs. And A113 is a code that Pixar likes to put in their movies. Got a, maybe that's a reflector or a light. Got his white wheel here, and his yellow wheel here, and his two front tires are just brown. There's his expression, a happy expression, because he's enjoying what he's doing. One of his eyes is like lower. I think that's purposeful. No, I think it's supposed to be like that. His engine is now also metal, so that's strange. So yeah, I just wanted this to be a short review. Actually, I think I forgot to show the base though. Before I go, I want to show the base. Disney Pixar made in Thailand, Mattel, and 19A code. There's the base. Alright, so that's basically it for this review. I'm sorry it wasn't in unboxing. Yeah, have an RPM day.